Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove or delete your Google Chrome extension on your Chrome. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So to remove the extension, just click on the extension tab here, and if you want to remove some extension, just click the three dots. You can remove the extension from here directly. Or else you have another solution, just click the manage extension page. You can see every extension that you install in your Google Chrome will be here, and you can remove or disable the extension, or you can go to the settings and click on the extension tab. You can see every extension here. These are the ways to get into the extension tab, and you can see every extension that you can here, and you can just click the remove option and the tab will be here. If you want to remove, just click remove, it's removed. So that's it. You can remove or you can disable or enable. You can disable the extension, so it will be on disable mode, and whenever you want you can enable it. If you want to remove permanently, you just click on the remove option here and you can remove the extension. So every extension that you install will be appear on the manage extension tab here, and you can easily remove your extension by clicking on here, or you can remove the extension in this page.
Friends, if you find this video useful, had your solution, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to have more tutorials about the YouTube, Instagram tips and many more things. So we will meet our next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.